Hello, good morning, my subscriber of channel RTKS. I hope you are great, and I'm happy to see you again for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Well, before we continue far, now have a look to the picture. How many pictures do you see? Yes, exactly 6 pictures. They are a coin, a clock, a donut, a dish, a wheel. And is that a dynamite or a watermelon? Yeah, depend on you. It's gonna be a watermelon, it's gonna be a dynamite. Yeah. Well, do you know what shape of the whole of the picture on your screen? What shape? A rectangle, right? Oh no. So what are the shape? Yeah, you are correct. Circle. So for today's lesson, we are going to study about circle. Okay, now we go to the next slide for circle. What do you know about circle? This is my first question to you. Maybe some of you still don't know the part of the circle. So for the circle, before we go far, before we study far about a circle, you must understand about the part of the circle. Why? Because some of the question contains of part of circle. If you don't know, if you don't understand the part of the circle, I'm sure you cannot conduct the question if there were part of circle. So then the first you have to understand about the part of the circle. So for the circle, based on your screen, now have a look at your screen. There is a circle that contains of some parts of circle. Do you know or do you understand the part of the circle here? No? Okay. Next, before I explain more about a circle, this is your pre-test. Maybe some of you already understand about the circumference. Find the circumference. Otherwise, some of you still don't understand how to find the circumference. For the people here who already understand about the circumference, do you know for number 1 circumference, number 2 circumference, 3 and 4 circumference? What is number 1? What is the circumference of number 1? Please type your answer in the comment below if you understand, if you know about number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Later, if this video popular later, and I'm gonna give you giveaway. Yeah. If your answer correct, so please type down your answer in the comment column below. Okay, so please pray for this video. I hope this video will popular. I hope many viewer view this video or watch this video so that I can give the giveaway later on. I hope so. Well, for the student or for the people here, for my student here still don't understand about how to find the circumference, here we go for the circle explanation. So for today's lesson, you will study about understand the formula of circumference, I'm sure you can answer for this pretest. Yes. Again, if you understand about the formula of circumference, I'm sure you can answer number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that for next explanation, I'm gonna show to you the formula of circumference. Well, for today's lesson also, not today's lesson, but for circle next video, I think I'm gonna make also about video of the perimeter of circle. Yeah, so don't forget to watch the perimeter of circle maybe for the next video. And the next video you will study about the area of circle. It's gonna be the next video. Well, circle, have a look to the picture. There is a circle on your picture now. So what do you think about the circle? What does the circle mean? Okay, I want to have your opinion. What is the circle, or what does the circle mean? Well, yes, you are correct. Thank you for answering me. What a circle is based on place land that come. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges. Again, a circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners or edges. Yes, have a look to the picture. There is a circle that no corner and no edges. So in geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed, yes, closed, right? There is no part, there is no open boundary. This is closed boundary, a closed two-dimensional curved shape. Okay, here we go. The part of circle. Part of the circle, there is a radius, factor, diameter, arc, chord. This one chord, yeah, not chord. Chord, segment, and this is the circumference. The circumference is the length of the circle, the length outside this one to cover the covering or the length of the circle. Arc, segment, chord, sector, radius, diameter, and so on. Here we go for the circumference. Circumference, talking about circumference or the length of the circle, you must understand the formula of circumference. I'm sure if you understand, if you memorize the formula of circumference, I'm sure you can answer the pretest. Yeah, you can answer also the question of circumference, the question of the circle. So this is the circumference. The circumference of a circle is the length around the circle. The length, yeah, this one, the length around the circle. The circumference of any circle divided by its diameter always has the same value. This number is called pi, or this is the symbol of pi. Yeah, this is the symbol of pi. You can write down the symbol only, or you can write the word of pi, p and I. And we usually take the value of pi to be 3.14 or 22/7. Both of them you can use. One of them as well you can use. It depends on you. If you prepare to use 3.14 for your answer, is okay. If you are comfortable to use 22/7, it's okay, no problem. So I usually when I conduct or some question about a circle, I usually use pi. I change pi into 22/7. I sometimes also use 3.14, depend on me. And now this is the formula of circumference. The formula for working out the circumference of a circle, this is the formula, is pi times diameter of the circle. Again, pi times diameter of the circle, or you can change pi into 3.14 times diameter, or 3.14 times 2 times radius. Why radius here? Because diameter is 2 times radius. Yeah, I'm gonna show to you about the radius next. Yeah, or you can change also pi into 22/7. As I said before, you can choose which one that make you comfortable. It's gonna be 3.14 or 22/7, depend on you. As I always say, I sometimes choose 22/7 or 3.14, depend on me. So depend on you as well. And now this is the post test. Yeah, post test. As I told to you about the formula of circumference, I'm sure you can get the result, or you can conduct this post test. Find the circumference. So what is number one? We have 4 picture. We have 4 circle. That every circle contains of a straight line. Yeah, every circle contains of a straight line. What you call this straight line for number one? What you call this straight line for number one? Is this chord, or is this diameter or radius? Yes, exactly. This is a diameter. So find the circumference for number one. Put the formula. What is the formula of circumference? Before the formula is pi times diameter. So pi times diameter. You can use 3.14 times. What is diameter for number one? 18 inch. So 3.14 times 18. You multiply 3.14 multiply 18. Yeah. So you get 56.52 meter. So the circumference of number one is 56.52 meter. What about number two? Is this diameter or radius? Radius. So what is the diameter? Diameter is 2 times of radius. Since 2 times of radius, so this diameter for number two picture is 18. Same with number one. So what is the circumference? Same as same, because the diameters, the two of diameters are same. So the circumference for number two is still 56.52 meter. I think this is not meter, sorry, typo. Inch. Yeah, for number one is inch, number two is inch. Okay, thank you for correcting me. What about number three? Yes, easy, right? Because there is a radius. The radius for number three is 4.2. So what's the diameter? Diameter for number three is 2 times radius. 2 times 4.2 equals 8.4. So the circumference of number three picture is 26.37.376 centimeter. Yes, good. So what about number four? Number four, does it have a diameter? No, only radius. So the diameter is 2 times 5 is 10 meter for diameter. Then put the formula 3.14 times 10 equals 31.4 meter. Yeah, easy, right? I hope you enjoy this video, because this is the time is over, because our lesson is finished for a circle part 1. Now we will see in the circle of part 2. I hope you enjoy this video. You can click the like button. You can click also the subscribe button to get another video from me. Again, I hope you enjoy your life. I hope you are great, all, and also your family. And I say goodbye for